This savory monkey bread comes together in minutes and is fully customizable. Plus, it serves as a lazy Susan. So let's make these guys. So I just have a little springform pan here, and you just want to coat the whole thing with butter so nothing sticks. So now we're going to open up our biscuit dough. Go like this, and you just kind of like hit it maybe. Ah! So you're going to use 2 of these packages to get about 16 little balls for your monkey bread. So you just roll them all into little balls right here, and then you just stick them in your pan. So just kind of follow along in the circle. And these obviously are gonna puff up and rise and get super fluffy and beautiful. So if it doesn't take up the whole pan, don't worry about it. So look at that. So I really just filled up the entire pan with my dough. And now we're going to brush it with some more butter, because if you could have more butter, why not? Now when it comes to toppings, you could use whatever you like, whatever you have in your spice cabinet. You can use some fresh items like fresh scallions or fresh onions if you'd like. First I'm gonna take some of the cheddar cheese, sprinkle it all over, and I wanna get it sort of like in between all these little crevices. And now it's time for the toppings. So I have some dried chives, which I like to use. Adds some really, really nice color here. And we have some white sesame seeds. And I try to make it so there aren't too many colors that are touching each other. I have some dried onion flakes and some garlic flakes and some caraway seeds. I love these. This is what they put on pumpernickel bread. And then we have some poppy seeds, which obviously adds some more really nice color and good flavor. And black sesame seeds. Look how gorgeous. Let's use up the rest of our little cheese here right on top. Every last bit. All right, you guys, that was it. That was so simple. Seriously. That was like a few minutes, right? Okay, let's get it in the oven. We're gonna bake it at 350 for 50 minutes until it's golden brown and puffed up and flaky and the best biscuit you ever will eat in your life. Let's go. Oh my goodness. It smells so good in here. Let's plate this up and get it out there. It comes together so quickly. And look, it just pops right out of the pan here. And the best part about this, you don't even really need a serving utensil because it's pull apart. So you literally just take it, pull it apart, and everyone gets their own little piece, and you can choose which one you want. Every nook and cranny is filled with cheddar cheese, melting all over the place and topped with amazing spices and herbs. This is so good, and it comes together in a matter of minutes. You gotta make it.